Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the easiest way you can fill up a sketchbook page. All you need is shapes in the beginning. Just fill them up. Very satisfying also with these markers. Maybe yellow. You're welcome to choose any color combinations. Almost like a silhouette. Once that is done, I like to use an ink pen and then just draw on top of the shapes. Whatever comes to your mind. You can go outside the shape or you can stay inside the shape. I like to go outside the shape. Faces. And these don't have to be perfect. If you want to stay inside the line or stay inside the shape, I should say. Maybe I can do something like this. The character inside the shape. And it also doesn't have to follow the shape as long as it's inside. Just to give that sense. And here's another one. Long arms. Whatever you can think of. Whatever comes to mind. And also, it doesn't have to be anything. It doesn't have to be a character. It can just be abstract. It can just be lines. Like that. Maybe some sort of music device. Like a boombox. Like that. Imagination. Just imagine. Whatever comes to mind. And you can continue shape. And you can overlap as well. There are no rules here. There are no rules. And that's the beauty of it. To keep you as free as possible for this shape, I want it to be some sort of object. Maybe he stepped on it. And it's just there. Just to give it contrast. We don't know what it is. Maybe this is a fruit. Like a pear. Maybe there is somebody here. That is trapped. Some sort of a spider or something. It's trapped inside the shape. Maybe this guy has a hunch. With small legs. Create a mouth. I hope you try this exercise to relax, or to just draw, or to fill in your sketchbook. It's super fun. You can use acrylic markers like these, but you can also use alcohol markers. You can use any other marker. You can use color pencil. You can start with any tool you like, as long as you start with the shape. That'll give you the freedom. And yeah, thank you for joining. I hope you liked it, and I hope you come back for another exercise of how to fill your sketchbook. Bye bye.